Alright, so I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to make your own espresso drinks at home, and it's so much cheaper. Let's begin. Machine. Take your portafilter. Now all machines will have a little bit of a heat up period. You can see the lights are flashing. When these come on, that's when you know it's ready to go. If this is the first time that you've watched one of my videos, I'm Chef Mike, and this is my channel, Think Chefly. In this video, I'm showing how to make a latte at home. It's real easy, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the like button below, subscribe if you want to see some more content like this, and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. So this here's my Breville espresso machine. I've had it for about 7 years, and it's served me well. Alright, so first, I'll run a little bit through to help heat up the portafilter and get the brew head nice and warm. That way the temperature stays nice and hot. Because if you don't do that step, then your coffee won't be at the right temperature and it won't extract properly. Next, take your cup, put it down here, put some hot water in it to heat it up so it's not that cold. Set that up there for now. Alright, pour out the water, wipe it out till it's dry, then grind your coffee. Then you're going to tamp it with 40 pounds of pressure. To where it's a nice little puck. And you put it in, turn it till it locks. Take your cup, nice and hot, pour out the water. Put it under, hit a button. Nice. Take a look at that nice rich crema. We'll just put that up here to keep warm for now. Then we'll start our milk. Get some cold milk out of the fridge. Pour about 6 ounces in. You're going to feel the sides of it. You're going to feel the sides of it because just going to sound like you're ripping paper. That's how you know you're building your micro bubbles to help texture your milk properly. And you're going to keep your hand on the side here. You probably can't see it, but keep your hand touching it. That way when it gets up to 100 degrees, so when it feels warm, kind of like you're getting into a hot tub, that's when you'll That's when you'll dip it down in. And then let it keep going until it's 140 degrees, which will be too hot for it to be comfortable for you to touch. You can use a thermometer so you get the feel for it. All right, I'm there. One thing you do not want to do is overheat your milk. If you go up to like 160, it just kind of makes it taste like curdled eggs in a bad way. All right, so if you have any little big bubbles in there, just take it and tap it on the counter a couple times, swirl it for about 3 seconds. Then you'll pour it in. And you'll there you have it. Little latte art in there. I'm not the greatest at this, but I'm no professional. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, check out the video that I made, that I put a link right here, so you can see how I saved over $2,500 a year by making my own lattes at home instead of going out. Check it out.